Good morning, children. This is Shubhal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with a chapter 8 that is about comparing quantities. We are dealing with the portions of compound interest as we have studied simple interest in class 7. So, like here in this video, I'm going to have a discussion on a very important questions of this exercise as we have done till question number 7. So here in this video, I'll discuss about exercise 8.3 question number 8. Children, as we all know that understanding the question is more important, so we are going to understand the situation first. What is being asked? Okay, find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 10,000, means principal is rupees 10,000 for the time is time which we denote by n, that is 1.5 years, 1 by 2 years. For rate of interest is 10% per annum. Okay, children, so the principal is 10,000. Okay, time is 1.5 years, rate of interest is 10% per annum. Compounded half yearly, what would the interest be more than the interest if you would get if it was compounded annually? Now the question is, this thing have been taken or been means implemented for compounded half yearly. Now the question is, if I would have taken this amount for such years and such percentage of rate of interest and compounded annually, what would have been the difference? That is what we will discuss in this video, children. So let us find out for compounded half yearly first. Let's see what comes. So the compounded half yearly for compounded half yearly, let's see what comes. We know the formula, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 200 whole to the power 2n. This is the formula for compounded half yearly. So children, let's see what comes. The amount is equal to principal is here rupees 10,000 is 10,000. 1 plus r means here is 10 by 200. Okay, whole to the power 2n. 2n means the number of 6 months. So here 1.5 years is having the number of 6 months 3. 1.5 year means 1 year means 2 6 months, and more half year means 3 6 months. So let us have a discussion on it. What comes, children? So the amount is equal to principal is 10,000. Okay, so like this 10 and 200 0 can be cancelled. I'll get 1 plus 1 by 20 whole to the power 3. Okay, children. Now again, children, amount is equal to 10,000 into 1 plus 1 by 20 means, if I calculate this, it is supposed to be 20 here, LCM 20 and 1 21 20 plus 20 divided by 20 is 1 whole to the power 3. So what we will get, children, here we will get again 10,000 into 21 by 20 whole to the power 3. Alright, children. Now as I have got no space, so I am cleaning from here a bit as we are calculating compounded half yearly. So here it will be 10,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 and 21 by 20. 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 got cancelled. 5 2s are 10. So here I'm getting 5 into 21, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 105 into 21 into 21 by here 2 2s are 4. Okay, children. Now let's see. 21 into 21 results 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, 441. So one, like here it is 105 into 441 divided by 4. So children, here again we need to multiply 441. I would suggest to everybody not to use calculator, because we really need to understand how to deal with bigger calculation, or we have to perform it our own. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 0, 2 will be carried, 5 fours are 20, 21, 22, so 22. So all will be 0 here, 0, 0 and 0. Again multiplication, 1 ones are 1, 1, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So here it's 5, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 2, 6, here is 4. So 46305 divided by 4. So children, here again I'll just go for division of this number. As we can see, it is 46305 divided by 4. Okay, 4 11s are 44, 44, 2 and 3 will come down, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 3 will come down, 3, here 1 0 will come down, 4 7s are 28, 2 will come down, and here it is 5, 4 6 are 24, 1 will come down, I'll get a point 0, so it 2 5, so 11,576.25. so 11,576 rupees and 25 paise is the amount. Okay children, so let me write over here. So the amount I'm getting from here is amount is equal to 11,576.25. this amount to be paid. So of course, what is the interest children? So the compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Okay, so 11,576.25 minus 10,000 is 1,576 rupees and 25 paise. So this is the amount of interest to be paid after 3 years if I calculate compounded half yearly. Okay children, now one more part is left for this question. It was asked if I would have taken compounded annually, then what the changes would have been taken place. Children, as we can see, the time is 1.5 years. Means what? For first 1 year we will calculate compound interest, and for half year we will calculate simple interest. So the formula is amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. So amount is equal to principal is 10,000 into 1 plus r means rate of interest. Here it is rate of interest was children 10%, so 10 by 100 whole to the power 1. Why 1 children? Because we are calculating 1 year amount. So amount is equal to 10,000. So 0 0 got cancelled. I got 1 by 10. So here it will be children 11 by 10. Of course 11 by 10 and whole to the power 1 means once only it will be multiplied. 0 and 0 got cancelled. Amount is equal to 1000 into 11 is 11,000. 11,000 is the amount after 1 year, and more half year is left. So children, let us calculate for half year. So as we all know that simple interest is equal to principal into r plus t by 100. Okay children, so the principal is 11,000, rate of interest is 10, time is half year, so 1 by 2, and below it was 100, 0 and 0 got multiplied, 5 2s are 10, so I'm having 110 into 5 is 550. So this 550 will be added to 11,000 because in order to get the total amount to be paid, total amount is 11,550 rupees. Okay children, so the interest to be paid how much? 11,550 minus 10,000 will be how much? It will be 1,550 rupees to be paid. So children, it's pretty understandable that compound interest half yearly we are paying more than the compound interest annually. Okay, so we have calculated the interest amount separately. This is how we have to deal with this kind of questions actually. I hope it's clear children. Question number 9 will be your practice work. You will try out question number 9, and the next video I'll discuss about question number 10 and 11. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.